Number 6. Which is a concrete noun? A. Brain. B. Intelligence. Answer. A concrete noun is letter A. Brain. Number 7. Which is an abstract noun? A. Face. B. Beauty. Answer. An abstract noun is letter B. Beauty. Number 8. In the active voice, the object A. receives the verb's action. B. does the verb's action. Answer. In the active voice, the object receives the verb's action. Number 9. Which is the object in the active sentence, cows eat grass? Answer. A. Cows. B. Grass. Answer. The object in the active sentence, cows eat grass, is letter B. Grass. And number 10, last item. The past and present participles are special forms of A. An adjective. B. A verb. Answer. The past and present participles are special forms of letter B. A verb. Alright, that's all for the quiz. Share your score in the comments below and let us know how you did. Thank you for practicing through quizzes with English Tutor Hub official channel. See you in my next video.